Are you looking for a property that generates incredible financial returns, but that doesn't have huge mood swings in performance? One that has stable, predictable demand with a 2-year track record and a predetermined set of operating expenses? Hey guys, this is Matt from City Place B&B. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the financials. It's going to give you a high-level overview and then point out a few things you might be curious about. Starting from the top, let's start with rental income. So this includes both room revenue and cleaning fees. There's a $49 cleaning fee attached to every reservation. Every checkout, the unit gets cleaned, so we actually make money on the cleaning fee, and I'll kind of get to that a little bit later. As you can see, the property gross is about $30,000 per month, so there are slight fluctuations month to month. It is variable income, but with 2 years of history, you can see about $30,000 per month gross. Now let's talk about operating expenses. So the first thing I want to call out is the cleaning fee. So what this includes is both cleaning and laundry. So every reservation, every checkout, the unit gets cleaned. It actually leads us to really keep the units in good shape because we're seeing them all the time, we're cleaning them all the time. Something you'll notice is that we've been able to significantly decrease this cleaning fee line item since September of 24. So you'll see we used to pay $4, $5, $6, as high as $8,000 per month in cleaning fees. And we've been able to reduce that down to just $2,000 to $3,000 per month. The difference is we used to pay per clean. So that led to really high cleaning fees. In September 24, we transitioned to a part-time cleaner. So with 10 units, we can really hire a part-time cleaner. We pay them $450 per week. And we pay a little bit more if we need a backup cleaner to help out. And so we've been able to prove out that model, and that's dropped cleaning fees down. So it's a huge savings, and all that goes in net operating income. So now I want to talk about this management line item. So what that is 24/7 property management coverage for the property. This is an offshore team that I hired and trained myself. They were already experts, but I trained them to do things the way I like them done. And they provide 24/7 coverage of property management. So what does that mean? They answer all the guest messages. They answer all the guest phone calls. They coordinate with the cleaning staff. They coordinate with the handyman. They order supplies. If anything gets damaged during a stay, they coordinate that. All of that they do. And that's what this line item is. So you're welcome to inherit this staff if you want to. We can put you in touch with them. Just know that they know the property really well, and they do almost everything. The security line item is just for the Ring camera. So we have Ring camera outside every unit and at the front and the back of the property. Super well lit, very secure. Office supplies and software includes both the property management system that manages all the reservations for you. It also includes the pricing software we use. All the pricing is done automatically by this software. You can use the same tool we do. Supplies is just for ongoing supplies, so like toilet paper, paper towel, things like that. So then you can use the summary section to put this all together. So you've got rental income that includes both room revenue and cleaning fees generated. Then you got operating expenses. So what this includes in the P&L is 24/7 property management coverage of the property. It also includes Ring cameras so you can see outside every unit, front and back. It also includes the property management software that does all the reservations for you. It includes supplies, it includes repairs, it includes utilities and expenses. Everything is included here. And really the take-home message of this video is that we've got 2 years of proven track record with this property. Everything's broken out here. And you might be wondering, well, is there one good month and then some bad months, or how is it? Everything is broken out. We've got really stable demand. This is an amazing location. All the time people are coming to Dallas and they need somewhere to stay. And we've got 2 years of proven track record with this property, so you can see exactly what the performance is and know that you're getting the same infrastructure and same tools that we use. So I hope this was helpful. Again, let us know if you have any comments or questions.